Welcome to Flowlister, the tool that turns photos automatically into finished eBay listings. You can generate a listing 3 ways, either one at a time, or you can switch to batch mode by clicking here. When uploading single items or batch items, you can manually enter additional details, SKU numbers, and price paid. Rapid mode is a great idea when you're going through multiple items. The third way to list items is Flow Drop, which will take care of everything for you. All you need to do is drag in a folder of photos, and Flowlister sorts them automatically into individual listings all on its own. As you wait on this screen for the AI to work its magic, it will write your titles, descriptions, set pricing using sold comps from similar items found online, as well as calculate shipping weight and dimensions. If you've got photos of measurements, weight, or SKU numbers, it will take the information from those images to include in the item description. Once it finishes, all the listings will land in your drafts, and you can edit them to check and fine-tune details. You can edit photos directly by enhancing or removing backgrounds, whatever you need right from the listing editor. You can then publish them one at a time, select all and publish, or if you want to schedule posting them over the weeks or months ahead, you can go to your settings and set your listing schedule so it's all automated for you. Then all you need to do to add them to the listing queue on eBay is click Select All Drafts and then Schedule Drafts. Last but not least, make sure you head into your settings as soon as your account is created and connected to eBay to set up your pricing strategy as well as your policies. And we highly recommend turning on the auto shipping option, which will automatically pick the best shipping policy for each listing. Thanks for watching this quick video. Once you start using Flowlister, you'll see how amazing it is. Try it and see how it frees up your time.
Flowlister, because listings should flow.
Flowlister, what smart resellers know.